Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I tell you what, my room is trashed. I'm talking like trashed. I mean, yeah, you'd be like, dude, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? So I had to stop and clean. So I'm going to show you a little before and after. This is the worst. I mean, the worst. I'm almost embarrassed to show you. But you know what? It's how it is. This is how it always is with most people. So I'm going to do just a quick room tour and show you where we're at. And we're going to do a quick cleanup, and then I'll show you what we look like afterwards. The spit and polish shine. Because I tell you what, I've never, ever had it this bad. But I've been to some shows, gotten stuff in the mail, and it's just compiled. I got 1,000 builds. My ADHD is going nuts. I'm like, oh, look at this kit, and it's just piling up on the table. So I got to put it away. I got to clean it up because it's driving me nuts. It's bad. So I'm going to do a quick tour. I'm almost embarrassed by this, but that's okay. It is what it is. Everybody's room looks like this at times. I'm just going to show you how it is. This is just the real way it is. So I'm going to flip it around. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have stuff. Oh, let me zoom this out a little bit. There we go. Okay, so we have stuff piled here. This is behind the door. We got stuff everywhere. There's stuff on the floor down here. We got a Mustang baking in there. That came out really good. I'll do a video on that here in a little bit. This stuff hasn't really changed much, but up there hasn't changed. But now we get down to the bench, you're like, oh my goodness. Wow. Are you kidding me right now? Yeah, I can't even do a video out here. It's that bad. It is that bad. I mean, come on. Really? That's bad. Yep. Bad. Shame on me. This is my normal spot here. I got my USAC build. It's getting there. I got my other build for my Steely's build going. I mean, we got a mess. So I had model kits stacked up down here. I had boxes of, like, from builds, you know, just builds that we did. And these are my cases I take to the shows. I just store them under there. And all the models are still in there. I just keep them all in there. It's kind of good, easy storage. So the wrecker and the tow truck's in there. And wrecker and the tow truck. That's the same thing. Let's go snow plow in the tow truck. How about that? Wow, it's getting late. So I've been digging these out because I need to make room. So there's some other boxes there. I got to move those yet. And now we pan this way. It's like, oh, it just gets worse. It's like, oh my god. I mean, it's just, they're everywhere. I can't. So I knocked these down tonight. I was doing some painting. So I have a vent on the wall. So I went to open that, and I tripped on some boxes and knocked half of them down. I thought, okay, we got to stop and just smell the roses here. So that's where we're at. Crazy, isn't it? I can't believe I've never ever let my room get this bad. Like, ever. This might be a couple day project. I'm not going to. It is turn my light on here. So it is what time we got here? 10:30, almost 10:30 at night. So that's where we're at. That's how things are. That's how things are looking right now. So we're gonna get this room spick and span. We're gonna make it look nice, and I'll bring you guys back and show you what it looks like in the end, because this is like, wow, it's unbelievable. So there we have it. Whew, that's rough. I mean, it looks like a junkyard in here. Looks like a crap hole. That's all there is to it. I'm just showing you the real how it is. But my room never usually looks like this. I mean, this is like the worst it's ever been. Tony's coming over tomorrow night, and I just telling him, I said, dude, if you see my room right now, you'd be like, what in the heck is wrong with you? So I mean, it's sad. That's all there is. All right, we'll get her cleaned up and we'll bring you back. All right, guys, the transformation's complete. It took me like 4 hours plus. Yeah, I think I started, what, 10:30? It is now 1:30. So I gotta get to bed because I gotta go work tomorrow. Yeah, so, but hey, had to get it done. So I'll take you for a quick tour and see the difference. Shing. Alright, so I had a bunch of shop cards I had to get hung up, so I hang them on my door. And this corner didn't get too much attention, not a lot of love, but we did some rearranging there. Not much different here, not much going on, but wait, there's the big difference. So I got rid of the old 3D printer. So yeah. So the bench is cleaned off. Paint racks are replenished. And we're looking good. So get a little further step back here. Bench is all cleaned off. Floor is nice. Man, so check this out. Man, I got this all cleaned up over here. Look at that. Yes, sir. So we took all these models off the shelf, everything out from under the table, and rearranged everything. So now I can see the floor once again. And yeah, so I took the boxes that were out from there and I put them all in the back. So those are all tucked away nice. So the empty boxes are gone. So that looks a lot nicer. So a lot nicer. Still got a little more to do, but you know how it goes. That's probably as far as we'll get. So, but hey, I can see the floor now. That's the main thing, and all that fun stuff. So, Mustang has been cooking since I've been out here. So, still a little bit of time left. This is 324. I know the LEDs like freaks out, but yeah. So this turned out really cool. Let me show you real quick because I'm pretty proud of this one. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of this thing. I have like zero dust in it. I'm really shocked. So that turned out like, oh my god, I'm pretty happy. I don't even know if we're going to do anything to it. I think I'm just going to leave it like it is. I don't think we're going to wet sand it. I'm super happy with it. Yeah, so really cool, really cool. That's for my rock and roll group build. And that one's not due for a while yet, but I was just kind of, it was turning out nice, so I kind of got going on it, and you know how that goes. So we're just gonna leave him in there and let it cool down. It's been burning for a while. So other than that, guys, yeah. So room transformation. So it is once again presentable. Unbelievable. Wow, that was an ordeal. So I realized, oh, we got models down here too. I took all this stuff and moved everything up from under there. I moved everything from under there. It's all moved. So I stuffed models here, stuffed models there. And I wanted it to where I could put the models, you know, where I can see them all versus being stacked behind stuff. So all the models now I can actually see everything that I have, which I was shocked. I did a count while I was doing this, and I have 363, I think it is, in this room. So that was a lot. I think there's 134 up there. So yeah, and there's like 50 down there, and I think there's 30 something up here, and yeah, I wrote it all down, the different areas where I was at. So it's quite a thing. So being sick a couple weeks ago, after going to some shows, hobby shops, whatever, mail call stuff, orders, it just kind of got piled in here, and then just trying to work around it, and like, okay, time to stop and unclutter. So there we have it, guys. Room's clean. We're back at it. So, hey, thanks for checking out the channel, and we will see you next time. And hopefully it stays like this for a little while at least. Probably not, but all right, guys. We'll see you next time. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.